sabar ni mak lima. Tangkap isang isok na di ang mabangkanya. Dari gurau-gurang bigyan pucat na ang pagyan. Nang manang nagjaga di na di altujan. Una seke bambang na di chansi sang kadangjan. Ang ansang tabo patin tabo.
The opening ceremony of Inter-Village Football Tournament 2022 that was held at Thapa Agutchak and the Mendipathar constituency on the 30th of September was sponsored by Congress candidate and District Youth Congress President Timjin K. Momin, Block Congress Committee of Mendipathar constituency, office bearers along with Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress General Secretary in charge, East and North Garo Hills, Dr. Dwelt Marak, also attended the meeting and seek support to Timjin K. Momin, the young, energetic and dynamic leader who is highly qualified with IIT, Indian Institute of Technology degree holder. Timjin Momin on his speech encouraged youth to come forward with their talent and assume to live up the livelihood of unemployment youths. He also stressed on the importance of youth in politics since the reason behind unemployment and underdevelopment is due to negligence in taking importance and selecting candidates during election. He aware the citizens to verify every candidate on the basis of their education and their vision for future generation.
Kalsusan ujamena tentang mancan yatini bo taalo content creator saubarang welding kana changi barang badunga saubarang YouTube kana changi barang badunga tentang kamera videography yan dak barang badunga saudi yarang kora adona kadara sani jakko rama kusan chene mesuk na kadana ngaijok saudi yarama ku mesuk na kadana taalo ang maksa Anjing ni India sekbat ke barang uni sak sop mua sop tok mandirang anjing na rama ko isok nak ta singar pengrang uni geman anjing chanchi nak ta nanggen chadam birang atang tang ni future na mai ko takinga ni nak ta nanggen changsa chang ni riba emang atam sa atam ni na jung khalange on party sa party geban baksa ko on pani ko ri ayo da jung jawa jok anjing ni future na anjing ni rama na mai ko thari na mangen wa ko muksonga kenang ri ge ba ko anjing ni nak ta nang smut kenok Aru taalo niatini bo, yani kemensa angat tangbari ba. Taalo hada taalo, yanu mamasa kaya ire gemuko, hada wat nama nang napa donga, endiba nibo, anceng mekang chango, mekang belsiuni, anceng songprak prakran, anceng endak keba, cadam berang anceng encourage kana kata angniat tang nubes kani donga, angniat tang ni vision donga, jio kadango anceng ni cadam berang tak do bayacem, ri do bayacem, ia mangkora dona kata angni sekani badonga. Aru anceng apsan kumongin cuma osa, ia rang anceng susok nak kata mangen, uning menta alo, tak sianga.